Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. This is my wish again with you guys. So today is our bank holiday, so I have decided why not to make something different. I don't want to do a routine breakfast today, so let's go. Going to make veg muffin. So the veggies I'm going to add: finely chopped coriander, finely chopped dill, and finely chopped capsicum, finely chopped spinach, finely chopped spring onion, and I finely chopped a little bit of green chilies to give it a nice kick. And I am going to add cheese because I love cheese. And now I'm going to add all the chopped veggies one by one and mix it together. To add a little bit of salt and ground pepper just to taste. It will be around 1 teaspoon. And salt will be as per taste, so I think that is enough for me because I'm going to add cheese in this as well. Cheese. I am using this medium grade cheddar from Tesco. Give it a good flour. I'm going to add baking powder, and I am going to take less than half. Also, I am going to add a little bit of it. I would say 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3 to mix it well. So I have just put my air fryer in baking mode and just to preheat them, and I have already greased all 4 of them. Right, I'm going to pop them into the air fryer, which is already in baking mode. The temperature is 190 degrees centigrade, and I'm going to bake them for 15 minutes, but definitely keeping an eye on it. Almost done. This one needs a little bit more time, so I think I will leave it for a couple of minutes. Thank you for watching. watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.